Hi everyone, in this video, we will explain the wiring to connect a brushless hub motor to the DMBC06010LG controller. First, let's identify the key terminals on the controller. Motor phase wires. Motor power input. Red wire to positive, black wire to negative. Motor encoder wire, I/O wire. It connects to the receiver for the motor's remote control signal. Orange wire to 1S, yellow wire to 2S. Red wire to +5 volts, gray wire to 0 volt. Next, we will proceed with a simple operation demonstration. Forward rotation. Reverse rotation. Turn left. Turn right. That's all for the wiring explanation. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime.